we're Mod Devices. We were born on Kickstarter 6 years ago, and since then, we have launched 2 successful products and an entire platform. Now, I am proud to introduce the Mod Dwarf. At first glance, it looks just like a badass stompbox, but it's so much more than that. Our devices offer the experience of a regular pedal, but with the versatility of a computer or a smartphone. You can download plugins with one click and create patches as complex as you wish. And then you can take it to the stage, standalone, without the aid of a computer or a tablet. It has everything for guitar and bass players. It is mighty smart. It allows for fast interactions, better control, and quicker results. It is so powerful. No other direct competitor can handle the amount of simultaneous plugins or routing possibilities as the Mod Dwarf. It is small and sturdy, enough to hit the road, in your pedal board or inside your gig bag. You can create and change on the fly, using the knobs and the push buttons. Or connect to the graphical interface and let it blow your mind with all the possibilities that no other standalone devices were ever able to offer. We have created the Mod Duo, the Mod Duo X, and now it's time. This is the product we've always wanted to make.
The Dwarf aims to be like an affordable, finalized commercial product that you can use, that you rely on. So it makes it easier for users and also for developers to work together.
Share your patches online and download patches from other musicians with one click. Or create your own plugins with our free tools. Yeah, you can even make your own effects. There is an open world out there. Join today thousands of musicians and audio developers. Let's take the community even further. Tell your friends and family, make your pledge, and back the Mod Dwarf.